Okay, who was absent yesterday? Andrea was absent, right? And did you go through the recording? Okay, second exercise was done, Andrea. Okay, did you understand the formulas, what we did? Okay, good. Last is discount, students. See, mark price, cost price, selling price, gain, profit is done. Right, next is discount. Can you see the screen, all of you all? Shall we start? All of you all online? Manak, Mala, Amani, Shasha, okay, Saima, who else? Kashika, Saima, Alia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Who's missing? 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. Amilda is missing. Okay, now. See, there was only four concepts we were studying, students. Cost price is fixed, selling price. Then, when selling price is greater, is it profit or loss? When selling price is greater, it would be profit or gain, right? When cost price was more, when selling price is less, it is a loss. Then we study loss percent, profit percent, right? The formulas, all these formulas related to one product, fine, two products. Maximum you'll add was two products. Based on that, we studied. Now, cost price, selling price, there is another concept called mark price. Okay, mark price, cost price, the cost price of a book or a phone. I'll take a mobile. The cost price of mobile is say 5,000. So what I do is I keep a mark price. I increase the price on that mark price. So 5,000 mark price is 8,000. On top of mark price, I give discount. Discount. Okay, this is the concept. Now, cost price is 5,000, mark price. Then I give a discount, students. I need to find the selling price. Discount is 1,000. Fine. So what's the actual cost price of the phone? What's the actual cost price of the phone? 5,000, right? 5,000. And MP stands for mark price, students. Mark. I'm going to mark it extra. How much did I mark it? How much did I mark extra? 300 is extra, right? And what's the discount I've given, students? What's the discount I've given? Rupees 1,000. So for customer, this is what they display on the mobile phone. They don't show this price. They will not show cost price. They will show mark price, 8,000 and 1,000 discount. So how much is this? What's the selling price? If it is 8,000 and 1,000 rupees discount is given, discount is positive or negative? Do you add or subtract? Discount. We subtract. Remember the discount meaning is subtraction. Profit is addition. So when you discount, if you give a discount of 1,000, what will be the selling price? 8,000 minus. So the answer is 7,000. Fine. So discount formula is nothing but it is always mark price minus discount rupees. Discount. This is the formula. Make a note of this formula. Selling price is equals to MP minus discount. Mark price minus discount. So selling price is equals to mark price is 8,000 minus discount is 1,000. Okay. Here discount will be given in two types. One in rupees, students. One in rupees discount. Rupees 1,000. The other type will be given in percentage. Discount is equals to 10%. If percentage is given, that is a different formula. Okay, if percentage is given different. So there are two different formulas. Don't get confused. One, this formula is for rupees. So what's the answer? Selling price is equals to 8,000 minus 1,000 is 7,000. Is this clear? All of you understood? Meaning of discount? Nowadays, nothing is sold on cost price, students. We don't see this cost price. Everything has a mark price. In all the stores, have you read this word MRP? Maximum maximum retail price. Yes, this is known as maximum retail price. Okay, maximum retail price, MRP. We don't see cost price. They don't put cost price or selling price. They only put mark price value. Right? So whatever we buy, discount is just what you call it's just a term given to cheat us. Discount is simply to just to cheat us. They give the word discount. See, as a shopkeeper, what is the actual price the shopkeeper is paying for the mobile from the market at shopkeeper is paying 5,000. And how much does he mark on top of that? He marks it at 8,000. Okay, he'll put a fake sticker on that. He'll mark 8,000. And what's the discount given? 1,000. So what we would think, what the customers will think, okay, 8,000 rupees product, we got it for 1,000 less, right? 7,000. But actually, what's the profit for the shopkeeper? He bought it for 5,000, and how much did he sell it for? How much profit is he making? He's making 2K, yes, 2,000. All of you know this 2K word, right? K stands for 1,000 students. So he makes around 2,000 profit. Okay. Any business, everyone has a profit, only the customers get cheated. The customers get cheated in terms of the word discount. So even if you go for shopping, on we see lot of shops, right? 50% discount. Have you seen 30% discount, 20% discount? All those are fake. Fake in the sense just to cheat us. Okay, we are already paying them extra. They buy at a different price. They mark it at an extra amount. On top of that, they give discount. Okay, now discount is of two types. One given in rupees and one more given in percentage. Right? You buy whatever you buy in Flipkart, Amazon, grocery items, anything, discount. They'll give discount 10%. Okay, discount 10%. I will read coupon codes. Have you seen this coupon codes? You can apply coupon codes to get discount of 10% when you buy something on Flipkart, Amazon, Intra, coupon codes. All these are discount students. Everything is calculated on mark price. Whenever you come across the word discount, remember that is not cost price concept, mark price concept, which means they've increased the value. To cheaters, they've just given the word discount. Okay, not cheat, to attract us. Yes, the word discount is given just to attract the customers. Okay. So discount concept is more like a trap. Seeing the discount, we feel the product is less and we purchase them. Okay. So discount, there are two types. One in rupees. Fine. In the same concept, how do I figure out discount formula from this? How do I take out discount formula, students? Where is discount? Left hand side or right hand side? Where is the word discount here in this equation? Left hand side or right hand side? Yes, see, is equal to sign. In is equals to sign, selling price is on the left hand side and mark price and discount is on the right hand side. It's a simple concept. If you don't understand this, you have to memorize all the formulas. Now discount is on right hand side. I need just discount on the right hand side. Which one I have to shift the other side? No, not selling price. Along with discount, what is given? Mark price is given. So which one I have to shift the other side? So selling price, if mark price goes the other side, it becomes minus. What is mark price, students? What's the sign with mark price? Plus or minus? Plus. If it goes to the other side, it becomes minus. And this minus discount remains as it is. Can you see the word minus discount? Right? Minus discount is given. So this is wrong. Okay. Never try to change it like this. So what we are supposed to do is discount is on the right hand side. Discount is minus or plus. What's the sign with discount? Minus. Try to shift this left hand side and bring selling price right hand side. If discount goes to the other side, does it become plus or minus? It becomes plus. Discount is equals to mark price remains as it is. Selling price is plus or minus on the left hand side. Yes. If it goes to the other side, it becomes minus. This is the formula for discount. So don't memorize. There are hundreds of formulas in mathematics. If you keep memorizing, you'll definitely forget. Try to understand the concept. Discount. Take down these formulas. Selling price is equals to mark price minus discount. Discount is equals to mark price minus selling price. Okay. Now, if I want to find mark price, students, if I want to find mark price, which side mark price is given? Left hand side or right hand side? Right. It is positive. So I just need on the right hand side. I just need mark price. What happens to discount? Minus discount goes to the other side and becomes plus discount. So what is mark price formula? Selling price plus discount. So focus on the main concept. Main concept is this. If you know this one formula, you can derive the other two formulas. Okay, so don't memorize, you can derive the other two formulas. Discount, EMS. Is it clear? All of you understood the concept? Now, if you forget the formula, students, usually how I remember is I take this pink one. Look here, I remember this. With the help of this, I derive the other formulas. And I'll tell you how to remember this. I'll give you a trick. Now, see, remember this pink one. Mark price is equals to selling price plus discount. If you want to find discount here, what happens to selling price? What happens to selling price if it goes to the other side? Plus or minus? Selling price is plus, if it goes to other side becomes minus. Did we get discount formula? Discount is equals to what? Mark price minus selling price. You can even rewrite like this. Discount is equals to mark price minus selling price. Now using this formula, what is selling price, students? How do you find selling price? Discount goes to the other side becomes minus. Respond all of you all. So selling price is equals to what? Mark price minus. If I rewrite this, selling price is equals to mark price minus discount, right? Is this clear? All of you understood? So whenever mark price, the word mark price is given in rupees, I would usually remember the concept like this, the green one. And I'll tell you how to remember this. You all know what MSD stands for? You all watch cricket, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. All of you know Dhoni, right? MSD. Can you see this word? Remember it like this, students. MSD, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, MSD. Mark price is equals to what? Selling price plus discount. Fine. If not, you will get confused. You will get confused with all the formulas. You will forget. Remember this, MSD. Use this one concept whenever mark price is given, MSD. Mark price is equals to selling price plus discount. Okay. Once again, we'll just quickly go through. Then after that, it is very easy. Look at MSD. M is equals to S plus D. What does M stand for? What does M stand for? Mark price. S stands for selling price. D stands for discount. If I want to find discount, what happens to selling price? It goes to the other side and becomes minus. If I want to find selling price, what happens to D, discount? Discount goes to the other side and becomes minus. So the main concept is, remember, whenever mark price is given, MSD, MS Dhoni. That is how I remember. Still now I remember the formulas. Okay, MSD. M is equals to S plus D. Mark price is equals to SP plus discount. Fine. So this is when rupees is given. When percentage is given. When discount is given in 10%, discount is equals to 5%. Usually this is how we see. Even when you'll buy crackers, on all the boards, on all the shop boards, you can see discount is equals to 90%, 80%. So most of the time they give percentage, students. They don't give rupees, they give percentage. So when they give percentage, the formula is, we have two formulas. First, mark price is equals to 100 divided by 100 minus discount into selling price. Or in some textbook they would have given 1 minus, can you all check what kind of formula they have given, students? Is it like this? No, this is the formula. Next, mark price, discount percentage. Discount percent is given. Okay, if you substitute, it is like this: 100 divided by 100. If it is 5% discount, 100 minus 5 into selling price. This is the formula. When discount is given in percentage. Now, in the same concept, if I want to find selling price, where is selling price? Left hand side or right hand side in this formula? Tell me. Right hand side. If this is right, look here. M is equals to A by B into C. If I want to find C value, students, what happens to B? B is in division. If it goes to the other side, it becomes. So M into B, right? Then what happens to A? If it goes to the other side, it becomes division. In the same way, if I want to find selling price, I'll keep MP as it is. What happens to this 100 minus D? If it goes to the other side, it becomes multiplication, right? Divided by what happens to this 100? 100 goes to the denominator and becomes division, is equals to selling price. This is the formula for selling price. If you rewrite, you'll get like this. Selling price is equals to 100 minus D divided by 100 into mark price. Discount is always negative, subtract it. You have to always put minus sign for discount. Make a note of these two formulas: mark price, selling price. That's it. Formula is done. Concept also I have explained. We'll start solving the question. Completed, all of you? Mark price is equals to 100 divided by 100 minus discount. Just write the green one, students. Green one. Copy the green one. Then if you want to find selling price, reciprocate. Just reciprocate the value. D stands for discount and it is always minus. Is it clear? All of you understood? Two types of formulas. Use the same formula, students. Never use any other formula. This 1.5 and all those calculations. This is when percentage is given. Okay, when percentage is not given, when it's given in rupees, always start with the first word, MSD. MSD is equals to S plus D. Mark price is equals to selling price plus discount. If you want to find selling price here, discount will go to the other side. Mark price minus discount. If you want to find discount, Selling price will get shifted M minus S. These are the three formulas when rupees is given. Okay. In this, always remember MSD, MS Dhoni. Okay, MSD, start with this. Next. Before this, we studied. Now, just to avoid confusion, before this, we studied when gain percent is given and loss percent is given. Okay. If cost price, what is the formula for selling price when gain percent is given? 100 plus, respond all of you, gain divided by 100 into cost price. No, no, correct, cost price. Next, tell me for loss. Selling price is equals to 100 minus loss percent divided by 100 into cost price. How do you find cost price? What's the formula for cost price? This will reciprocate, right? 100 divided by 100 plus gain percent into SP. Then what is SP? For loss, students, for loss, what is the formula? 100 divided by into SP. Look, relate the formulas. Even when what is that? Mark price is given. Look at the selling price. Discount is minus, students. Discount is like loss. Okay. Look at the formula. Can you see selling price formula? Selling price and this formula, aren't they almost same? Loss we subtract, discount also we subtract. In place of cost price, we have mark price, right? Isn't it the same? 100 minus loss into cost price. And look at mark price. Mark price will be similar to cost price. 100 divided by 100 minus loss. In mark price, you have 100 divided by 100 minus D, discount. Fine. This is one concept. Next, whenever cost price, loss or profit, students, loss or gain. Loss or gain, we always calculate on which one? Cost price or selling price? The denominator is always cost price, right? What is loss percent formula? Loss percent is equal to loss divided by into 100. So remember, whenever loss and gain word is given, it is always cost price. Whenever discount word is given, we always take mark price. And selling price is common to both. So just ignore selling price. These are the two important things you have to remember. For discount, it is always mark price. Whenever the word loss profit is given, that is always cost price formula. Cost price, selling price. Shall we start solving the questions? First question, yeah, first one. So all the concept formulas, everything is done. Look how easy it is to solve. So you have to figure out only two things, whether it is discount is given in rupees or percentage. Based on that, you have to calculate. Look at the first question, students. What is given? All of you will read and tell me the data. What is mark price? Be quick. Mark price is 16,450. The shopkeeper offers an discount. Discount is given in rupees or percentage. What is discount percentage? What you have to find? Selling price. If discount is given, what is selling price formula? 100 minus D percent divided by 100. If it was cost price formula, then what is selling price, students? 100 minus loss percent divided by 100 into cost. Can you see the formula? Can you relate? Yeah, they're almost the same. So don't get confused with the formulas. Keep solving, keep using the formula and solve, you'll get the answer. Yes, solve this all of your 100 minus discount is 16 divided by 100 into 16,450. Now, in your textbook, just a minute. This is SP is 1 minus D by 100. Okay, it's the same. 1 minus d, you need to take LCM, 100 minus d. Don't go through the textbook formula, students. Go through this. So what is 100 minus 16? Yes, subtract it. 84 divided by 100 into 16, 450. 1010 gets cancelled. Reduce using 5 times table, 2 times table. That's it. We are done with the answer. Question. This will give you the answer. Okay. 5 twos are, how many times it goes? No, no, no. First cancel with 5, Alia. 5 twos are 10. Okay. 3, 29. Very good. Then 2 ones are 2. Okay. Multiply 42 into 329. Fine. Let us check. All of you will complete. See, once you are done with this calculation part, student, just figure out what are the numbers left. After reducing everything, we have 42 into 329. Take that separately in the working column and start solving. Multiply 329 and 42. Yes, all of you will calculate. This calculation part is the toughest thing. You'll Most of the students will solve all the question. Okay, they understand the topic, everything is fine, but they go around in this multiplication, addition, subtraction, basic things. So multiply this to the students. 2 to 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 3s are 6. 9 4s are 36. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 4s are 12, 13. What's the answer? Yes, 13818. And you know how to put comma here? This entire chapter, everything is in rupees, students. It's in rupees. Selling price is equals to rupees. How do you read this? Can someone answer? How do you read this? Yes, tell me. 13,818. All of you got the answer 13,818? Okay, those who don't know to read this, students. See, no problem. 13818. I will study this. Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens. This is 100 place, 1,000, 10,000. In place of 10,000, we have 13. How do you read this? 13,818. And in Indian rupees, for Indian, I'll tell you how to put the comma. For Indian, it is like this: 2, comma 2, comma 3. Remember this code, students. Remember this code: 2, comma 2, comma 3. What does this mean? If you have values like this, remember 2, comma 2, comma 3. This is Indian rupees. For Indian code, we do like this: Indian value. That is 36789 is given. So starting in the last, what do we have? Respond all of your last. What number we have? 3, which means from the last after third number you have to put a comma. How do you read this? 36,789. Okay, last. Now 3689342. How do you put comma for this? From the last, after how many numbers you have to put comma, students? Tell me, how many numbers? After 3 numbers. Next, what do we have? After how many numbers you have to put comma? 2 numbers. This is Indian system of marking. In India, we mark it like this. So the answer is 36,89,342. This in this is in the lakhs place, 36 lakhs. This is in the thousands place. Okay, this is Indian. International system, they mark like this. In international system, 332. Okay, they usually mark it like this, 332. So 368934 is given. In international system, they mark, I'll take 4. Okay, they'll mark it like this. After 3 numbers, 1 comma. Then again after 3 numbers, 1 comma. This is how they read. So we tell 36 lakhs, they read it as 4 million. 4 million, it goes in million. They don't say lakhs, it goes in million. Remember this code 223. From the last, mark 3 numbers. 3 numbers. So even in this, where should I mark the comma now? We got 13,818. Where should I mark the comma? After how many numbers? First comma from the reverse? Yes, very good. After, from the reverse, after 3. So what's the answer? How do you read this? 13,818. 13 is in the thousands place. 13,813. Okay, next question. So observation is important. You observe in check when you buy any products outside. You should observe all those commas, decimal. That is how you improve students. Improve in mathematics, addition, subtraction. You become quick. Next, the price of a sweater was slashed down. What do you mean by slashed down? Increase or decrease? Decrease. Slash down in the self is decreased, student. The meaning of down itself is decreased by a shopkeeper. So the price is decreased by shopkeeper. From how much starting? What was the price? Starting it was 850. So this 850 you have to consider as what? Mark price. And it was reduced to how much? Reduced to. So this is this. See, starting you buy a product, you buy a book. On top of the book, it is written 850. That is mark price. So the shopkeeper slashed down the cost, the price of this, which means he's giving a discount. That is the meaning. After discount, for how much is he selling it? For how much is he selling, students? Yes. The selling price. Selling price is equals to 731. Is it given in percentage or rupees? Tell me. Rupees is given, but what have they asked us to find? Find the rate of, yes, find the rate of discount. Rate of discount is nothing but they're asking to find us discount percentage. Discount percentage. Now, when discount percentage is asked, what is the formula we have? Mark price is equals to, or selling price is equals to what? What's the selling price formula for discount percent, students? 100 into MP, right? Just substitute. We need to find discount percentage here. What is selling price? 731 divided by 100. This 100 will keep as it is. Into what is mark price? 850, right? Now, if I want to find discount, students, we'll keep this as it is. If I want to find discount, what happens to 100 if it goes to the other side? 731 into 100. What happens to 850 if it goes to the other side? It is multiplied. If it goes to the other side, it becomes division. 100 minus D. Is it clear? Did you understand what I've written? Response, students. If not, I'll explain again. Is it clear or no? Using the formula, I've just kept 100 minus D as it is. First, solve this part. Which one gets cancelled? Then, how many times 5 goes in 10? 5 2s are 10 in 85. See, concentrate. Don't start solving. Concentrate when I'm teaching. How many times 5 goes in 85? 5 ones are 4. Then 17 times. Now let us divide 731 and 17. 731 and 17. 17 into 5. No, 17 into 4. 4 sevens are 28. 4 ones are 4, 5, 6. 68. So 17 into 4 is 68. Concentrate, look at the calculation. Remainder is 5. Take 51. 17 into 3 is 51. So how many times 17 goes in 731? How many times? 43. All of you know the answer, right? How to divide and take the answer? 43 is the answer, students. 17 ones are 1743. So what is the value left? After everything is reduced, what are the values left? 43 into 2 is equals to 100 minus D. Now, which is positive and which is negative here? What do we need to find? We need to find the discount percent here, right? D value. We need to find the discount percent. So discount is minus, students. Multiply 43 into 2. What is the answer? 86. 100 minus D. If D is negative, shift it to the right hand side. It becomes positive. Bring 86 to the right hand side. 100 minus 86. So discount percentage is equals to, what is 100 minus 86? 14%. Can you check the answer? Yes. Can you check the answer in textbook? Second question. What's the answer, students? 14%. So which formula did we use here? Rupees formula or percentage formula? Yeah, tell me, rupees or percentage formula? Which one did we use? Percentage formula, right? Okay. This is direct. Within one formula, you get this, students. I'll teach all this in the same, in the other method. First, complete this. See, in question, they've asked us to find the rate of discount. The meaning of rate itself is percentage. Whenever they give the word rate, it is always percentage. So only I use percentage formula. So whenever the word rate is given, students, rate of discount, it is percentage formula. Right, start writing. Mark price is equals to 850, selling price is equals to 731. Complete. I'll teach you in another method. Question. So discount is equals to 14%. Any doubts in this calculation? All of you understood, or any doubts, students? Yes, tell me, calculation part. All of you understood? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Completed? All of you done? Shall I erase this? Okay, now what do you mean by rate of discount, students? Is it rupees or percentage? If they give the word rate, percentage. So we use direct percentage formula and we got the answer. The second type, if you want to find discount percent, first we'll find discount, and the formula for discount percent is discount divided by mark price into 100. Discount divided by mark price into 100. This is the formula, students. So I've told you, whenever discount is given, what do you take? For discount, it is always, the denominator is always mark price. For loss, what is the formula for loss, students? Loss percent. For loss percent, what's the formula? Loss divided by TP into 100. Same concept. Look here, same concept. This is the second type where you can find discount percent. Look here, you can use even this formula, discount percent. Discount is similar to loss. We subtract it. So discount percent is equals to discount divided by mark price into 100. Now, in order to use this formula, what is mark price value given in the question? What is mark price? Tell me, what is mark price? 850 into 100. But we don't know what is discount, right? We don't know the rupees, right? We don't know rupees. Fine. Here, if I want to find loss, students, what is the formula for loss? Tell me the formula for loss. Very good. Cost price minus selling price. We used to use this formula and find loss, right? Loss. Then we'll subtract. Okay, then we'll subtract. When it comes to mark price concept, what is the word I told? What's the cricketer name I told? I mentioned the cricketer's name, right? What is that word I told? M MSD. M is equals to what? S plus D. What is M value? 850. What is SP? S stands for selling price. What is SP? Plus D. If I want to find discount, what happens to 731? Get subtracted, right? So what is discount formula? Answer, students. What is discount? 731 minus 850. Look here, let me calculate. 731, 850 minus 731. 119. We got discount 119. Substitute here 119. So look here. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Okay, 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Then 5 twos are 5, 17s are 17 ones are 119 divided by 17. Divide by 70. You get 7. 7 into 2. What's the answer? Discount percent. 7 into 2 is 14. Are the answers same? Are we getting same answer? Yes. You can use even this formula, students. Use even this formula. Which one you all felt easy? This one or the other calculation? This one is easy? Okay, then make a note of this. Go through both. I don't know which method your teacher has done. That's the reason I taught you all both the methods. Fine. You can use this formula, discount formula. Take down discount formula, students. After this, I'll give break and we'll continue. At what time you'll have lunch? It is 1:20. What time do you have lunch? 1:35. What is that? 1:35. Kashika, right? I thought to continue till 2 students. So you can't attend Kashika? Okay. What about others? Till 2 o'clock, is it fine, students? Okay. Fine. Completed. See, I have to complete because we started late. In 1 month, we have to complete 5 chapters. If I had started the classes early, I'd have done. That's the reason I have to take special class and complete it. Okay. Write this separately. MSD. Remember the word MSD. Using that, you can find the value. Discount is equals to 119. Discount percent, this is the formula. Discount divided by mark price into 100. Yes, students completed? All of you done with this? Okay, take break up to 1:35. We'll continue after break. Up to 2 o'clock I'll conduct. Yes, students, all of you online. Shall we try the next one? Yeah, respond Saima, Manak, Mala, Andrea, Shika. Okay, what about Amani, Shasha, Alia? They're online. Fine. Next one, students. See, next three questions will be very easy to solve. I've explained the formulas, even this one. Fine. Look at the third question. What is given? Third one. Find the rate of discount. They have asked us discount percentage or rate of discount. Tell me. Respond. Third question. Discount rupees or rate of discount? The rate is given, right? Rate meaning is what? Percentage. So they've asked us to find the discount percentage, students. Find the rate of discount given on a mini toy gun whose selling price. What is selling price? 345 rupees 345 after deducting a discount of rupees 30. What do you mean by this? Discount. How much is discount rupees? 30 on mark price. So what is discount percentage formula? Tell me discount percentage. Just now we gave you all a formula. Discount percentage is equals to discount divided by, just now I gave you a formula, mark price into 100. What are the things given here, students? If you want to find discount percentage, discount value is given. What is discount rupees? 30. Mark price is given, or do we need to find? We need to find, right? We need to find. So when rupees is given mark price, what is mark price formula? MSD. I told you to remember MSD. Mark price is equals to what? Mark price is equals to selling price plus discount. So mark price is equals to 345 plus 30. What's the answer? 375 divided by 375. Complete this, you'll get the answer. Did you all understand? Respond. All of you all unmute, students. Unmute and respond. Any doubts? Hmm. Oh. Read the question once. Look, all of you will read. Find the rate of discount. They have asked us to find discount percent. First, write that discount percent. Selling price is 345. As you read, keep writing the data, whatever is given. Selling price 345, I have written. Deducting a discount of rupees 30. So discount is equals to rupees 30. Then on its mark price, you have to find the rate. Mark price is not given. If you want to find the rate, okay, if you want to find the discount rate, use the discount rate formula. This formula. So once you write this formula, you'll get to know what we have and what is missing. We have discount. Discount is 30. Mark price is missing. Use mark price formula. Complete it. If you don't solve through by logic, if you're just memorizing, it is very tough. You won't be able to understand. Okay, go through. Go through once what you have done. Read the question and go through what we have done. Okay. So even this chapter is also fine, easy. Factorization is also fine. Unitary method, direct inverse. Area and perimeter is lengthy. That's a lengthy concept. What's the answer, students? After reducing. So let me use 3 times table. 3 tens are 30, 3 1, 3 125. Then if I use 25 time table, 5s are 4s are 1s are 2s are. Is it 8%? Discount is 8%. 8% is the answer. So use discount formula. Revise this today, students. Revise it. Look at the fourth. How many questions you'll have? 5 questions, right? Only 5? 5, 6, 7. Okay, other things are cancelled. Fourth question. Tell me what datas are given. Be quick. All of you will read. Simple, very simple question. What datas are given? After allowing a discount percent, what is given, student? Discount rupees is given or percentage? Discount percentage is how much? 15%. A baby suit was sold for how much? Sold. If it is sold, what do I take? Selling price or market price? Selling price is 1,150. What do you have to find? Mark price. So discount percentage is given. Then what is mark price formula? No, no, no. That is rupees. That is when rupees is given. Is rupees given or percentage given? Yes, somebody told MP is equals to SP plus D. This is correct. But discount should be given in rupees. For example, rupees 30. Then we can use this formula. Okay, what is loss percent formula, students? How do you find cost price? When loss is given, how do you find cost price? 100 divided by 100 minus into, into SP, right? SP. Remember the same concept. For mark price, 100 divided by 100 minus, instead of loss, what should you put? Instead of loss, discount into selling price. Yeah, why nobody answered this? You all didn't take down the formula? In the beginning I had given, right? Is this clear, all of you all? Did you understand, students? 100 divided by 100 minus 15 into 1156. Completed. This will give the mark price value. Don't use this formula because discount is given in percentage, students, not in rupees. It is given in percentage. Mm. 5 into 17, 5 into 20. So divide 1156 divided by 17. Use 5 times table, 6 times table and divide it, students. 1156 divided by 17. Okay, it goes 68 times. So we have 28. See, I have calculated 28 into 6, 20 into 68. Calculate this, that will give the mark price value. Yes, what's the answer? How much did you get? 20 into 68. 1360. 1360 is the answer. All of you got 1360? Okay, last question. What is given, students? Read what is given here. A calculator was bought. Bought for how much? 435. After getting discount, 13%. What do you have to find here? Find mark price. All of you completed. Shall I erase this? Last question. Respond last question. We'll end the class. Look at the last one. What word is given here, students? Discount is given, mark price is given, right? So in discount, mark price, what are the three things we have? What are the three concepts we have studied in mark price? Mark price, discount, and what's the other word? Selling price. Out of these three things, what do we need to find? Mark price. What is discount percentage? Percentage is given or rupees is given? Percentage. So you have to use percentage formula 13. 13%. What's the other one left here? What's the other one left? Selling price, right? SP. So that will be this value. Remember, whenever discount mark price is given, we have only these three things. First thing, second and third. Then a calculator was bought for 435. Think we are buying for 435. From whom are we buying, students? From whom are we buying the calculator? From the shopkeeper, right? So how much did we pay? 435. If we are buying it from shopkeeper, this 435 is selling price or cost price for the shopkeeper? Is shopkeeper buying it or selling it? Selling it. So this 435 will become selling price for whom? For the shopkeeper. This is the concept. So just because bought is given, don't take it as cost price. We don't use cost price in mark price concept. Remember, whenever discount is given, we don't use cost price concept, students. We always use selling price, mark price. Now, when discount is given, what is mark price formula? Just now we did that. 100 divided by 100 minus D into selling price. Yes, completed. Last question. 100 minus 13 into 435. So we are buying it, but the shopkeeper is selling it. it becomes selling price, SP. That's it. Discount chapter is also, concept is also done. Reduce 87 and 435. Divide it like this. 87 into 2, 87 into 3. Check how many times 87 goes, students. Into 4 you will try, 87 into 5. Try which one gives 435. All of you completed. How many times it goes, students? 87 into 5 is 435. So what's the answer? Mark price is equals to 500. That's the answer. Rupees 500, right? Rupees 500. Mark price. Mark price is rupees 500. That's it. All of you are completed. Shall I erase it? Okay, now. Today evening I'll send a test paper. It is offline test. You can do it. When does your exam start? On Wednesday, right? Wednesday or Thursday? Wednesday. When is the last working day? You'll have school on Monday, Tuesday. Okay, Wednesday, which exam? Which exam you'll have? Kannada and English language. Fine. Today, any of you have revised, students? We have revised. I'll give you the chapters. Look here. Exercise 7B. Exercise 7C I'll conduct for test. 7C is this one. Are you all thorough with all these questions? What we did today? Okay, look at 7B, students. 7B is what we did yesterday. Just go through the formula, this concept. 13, 14. Okay, I'll give only from 6 question. I won't give 3, 4, 5. Ignore this 3, 4, 5. Except 3, 4, 5, I'll give this main. Look at this. From here, I'll give one question. Fine. Then sixth question, 13, 14, 15, 16. From those, I'll give one. Okay. Except third, fourth, fifth. I won't give third, fourth, fifth in 7B. 7C, I've conducted test. 7B, 7C. Then what are the other chapters you'll have, students? What's the other chapter which will feel easy? Unitary method. This one. Respond all of you. Shall I give this entire chapter? Exercise 10A. Direct and inverse. Direct and inverse variation. Okay. So no need revision for this because it is an easy chapter. Just go through. All of you know the logic. Arrow method. Direct, inverse. Okay. 10A. I'll give 10A. 10A. Then what's the other chapter you'll have, students? What did we complete? Factorization. 10A. Then factorization. Along with this, I'll give exercise 10. Exercise 10. Full. Even in this one, full. In this one, except third, fourth, and fifth question. I'll give other question. Except third, fourth, fifth. Over. We are done. Another 2 minutes. I'll just tell what are the topics for test. Except 3, 4, 5 students. Just ignore 3, 4, 5 question. Make a note of this. No, I'll include even this. What about first exercise? Are you all thorough with all this expansion, the factorization concept? 14A, shall I give full? 14A. What about 14B, students? Grouping method. Grouping. 14A, 14B. Then 14C, which formula do we use here? Which formula we use? When there are two values and minus? A square minus B square. See, you all tell me, shall I give entire chapter or just 14A, 14B, 14C or 14D? Which one shall I give? Why is nobody responding? I'll be sending the test paper. Tell me how much you all can complete. 14D, do you all remember? Sum and product. You all just go through that. Shall I consider entire chapter, exercise 14? Oh, A, B, C, D. These are the topic, students. Area, perimeter, I won't give. Make a note of this. If not, I'll send it in the group. I'll send it in the group. It would be for 40 marks. 7B, 7C, 10A, 14A, B, C, D. Okay. Wait, I'll just tell you all, students. I'll just tell. Yeah, I'll send it in the group. I'll send this. You can start preparing. And did you all study for the Wednesday's test? I will prepare. Fine, student. See, if you all have attendance, those who are not prepared, Monday you all can attend, Tuesday you all can take leave and study. Okay, if you all have attendance, any of the last 1 or 2 days they don't do anything. Fine. So Tuesday no tuition. Tomorrow is the last class. Only Monday I'll conduct. This I'll send it in the group. Fine. I'll send the pic in the group. Now tomorrow, what time usually I conduct? 5, right? I conduct at 5 o'clock. So 5 to 6 I conduct, 6:15. Shall I conduct up to 6:30 students? Tomorrow 5 to 6:30? Tomorrow 5 to 6:30. So there are two things. Shall I start new chapter or you want area perimeter revision? new chapter? Shall we? Which chapter is that? Yeah, which one is that? Simple interest and compound interest. Okay, tomorrow we'll start new chapter. Fine. Yeah, tomorrow we'll start. That would take 1.5 hours, 5 to 6:30. Okay. So don't miss today's test, students. I'm going to conduct for 40 marks. I'll send the paper evening. 6 o'clock shall I send? Yeah. Today you'll study for maths. You'll dedicate. Tomorrow and after tomorrow you can study other subjects. So complete maths. This four chapters we have done. Revise those. I'll send the paper at 6 o'clock. And tomorrow attend at 5 o'clock. I'll be starting simple interest, compound interest. Okay, fine. That's it for today. You all can leave, students. All of you can leave.